Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're given a table which is showing the number of international tourist arrivals rounded to the nearest tenth of a million of the top 9 tourist destinations in both 2012 and 2013. Based on the information, how much greater in millions was the median number of tourist arrivals to the top 9 destinations in 2013 than in 2012? So we have to find the two medians. So for 2012, let's write all of these numbers in increasing order. So for 2012, we have 24.7, 26.3, 30.4, 35.7, 46.4, 57.5, 57.7, 66.7, and 83.0. What we do is we go in from both ends, crossing off numbers until we reach a middle value, which is 46.4, and now we do the same for 2013. So going in increasing order, it's almost the exact order of the actual order of the list, but like Spain and China are flipped, for instance. So going in increasing order for 2013, we have 28.4, 31.5, 32.2, 37.8, 47.7, 55.7, 60.7, 69.8, and 84.7. Again, we just cross off numbers until we reach the middle value of this list, which is 47.7. We're looking for the distance between these, so 47.7 minus 46.4 is 1.3, and that is going to be your final answer, the difference in millions between the median in 2013 and 2012. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.